Healing Meditation Words for Beginners of Meditation Chapter 19. 1. He who carries out his purpose by violence is not therein righteous, established in the law. He is wise who decides both advantage and disadvantage. 2. He who guides others by a procedure that is nonviolent and equitable. He is said to be a guardian of the law, wise and righteous. 3. A man is not learned simply because he talks much. He who is tranquil, free from hatred, free from fear, he is said to be learned. 4. A man is not a supporter of the law simply because he talks much, but he who, little learned, discerns it by his body. He who does not neglect the law, he, indeed, is the supporter of the law. 5. A man is not an elder simply because his hair is gray. His age is ripe, but he is called grown old in vain. 6. He in whom dwell truth, virtue, non-violence, restraint, control, he who is free from impurity and is wise, he is called an elder. 7. Not by mere talk, not by the beauty of the complexion, does a man who is envious, greedy, and wicked become of good disposition. 8. He in whom these envy, greed, and wickedness are destroyed, removed by the very root, he who is free from guilt and is wise, is said to be handsome. 9. Not by tonsure does one who is undisciplined and who speaks untruth become a religious man. How can one who is full of desire and greed be a religious man? 10. But he who always quiets the evil tendencies, small or large, he is called a religious man because he has quieted all evil. 11. He is not a mendicant simply because he begs others for alms. He who adopts the whole law is a mendicant, not he who adopts only a part. 12. But he who is above good and evil and is chaste, who comports himself in the world with knowledge, he, indeed, is called a mendicant. 13. By observing silence a man does not become a sage if he be foolish and ignorant, but that wise man, who, holding as it were the scale, takes what is good. 14. And avoids the evil, he is the sage, is a sage for that very reason. He who in this world weighs both sides, is called a sage on that very account. 15. A man is not noble or elect because he injures living creatures. He is called noble because he does not injure living beings. 16. Not only by disciplined conduct and vows, not only by much learning, nor moreover by the attainment of meditative calm nor by sleeping solitary, do I reach the happiness of release which no worldling can attain. O mendicant, do not be confident, rest not content, so long as you have not reached the extinction of impurities.